And welcome back to Next People's channel. So on today's video, I want to show you guys the best free indicator to use on your TradingView. Okay, this particular indicator, if you're a beginner, if you're an expert trader, this particular indicator is going to give you a good direction on which trend to trade, when to trade, and how to trade. Okay, it's very simple to install. Just follow this video from the beginning to the ending, and don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up. So let's dive in. Guys, if you can save this particular video, is going to be helpful because everything I'm going to be teaching you on this particular video, people are collecting thousands of dollars, to learn this particular thing. So now I'm going to be giving it for you for free. So if you are new to Forex trading and you want to trade with that confidence, this video is really for you. And I want to show you how this particular trading indicator is one of the best indicator out there. And the good thing is it's absolutely free and you're not paying a dime for it. So I'm going to be taking you guide on the installation and how to trade with it. These are the key points on this particular video. Okay, so first of all, TradingView is free and it's paid version depending on how you are using it on this usage. So now, how to trade on this trading indicator. So first of all, we're going to be analyzing this indicator using gold. This is XAUSD. So now you click on your indicator. So mind you, where I pointed, this is the arrow indicator right here. You click on that. So once you click on that, you're going to be searching for for Supertrend. So Supertrend, Supertrend. So there's a lot of Supertrends, developers. Okay, there's a lot of them here. So we're gonna be selecting Supertrend by KivancOzbilgic, this particular guy. You can see here it has over 53k usage. So you just click on that. Okay, everything is going smoothly. So once you click on that, you're going to be having that on your trading chart. Okay, so now let's use 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame. Yeah. Okay, close that. Okay, this 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so what we are having here is the chart showing us when to buy and when to sell. Please guys, this video, like I told you, is very important. Very important. You can see here the chart here. Use what we call supply and demand. Okay, you can see here it's bought here, sold here, bought here, and sold, and the market is still selling. So guys, this particular indicator will show you how to trade. Okay, so now how do you apply this on your trading? Okay, so how I do apply my own is I'll be watching the market. Even if when I'm not watching the market, this indicator has a notification option that it can be able to notify you that the market is selling and the market is buying. Okay, right here you can see the market is selling. I was actually on this market to this extent. So here the market sold at 3,039.9, okay, on XAUSD, and immediately we queued in. Okay, we queued in on this market, and up to now the market is still selling. Okay, still on downtrend. So now let's analyze on GBP. This is my favorite pairs. GBP, that's British pound / USD. Okay, smooth, everything is smooth. Okay, so as you can see, the market sold from here, okay, and bought here, okay. The market is still selling, okay. And one thing I love about this trading indicator is if the market is still selling and it gives you an option to buy, immediately once any reversal happens or occurs on the market, the trading indicator is going to automatically open a new buy for you, okay, and it's going to notify you, okay. So this is the best indicator out there now. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please, and give us a very good thumbs up on this particular video. And I'm giving out all our trading bots on the Telegram channel. Please subscribe to get the trading bots and use, okay, so your trade. And love you from Next People Official channel. Bye.